Okay guys, in this video I'll show you how to quickly fix a problem that you might have encountered when you're inputting your actual plan and you read the dimensions wrong, and rather than having to redo the whole thing, how you actually fix one. So I have a plan that already exists in my drawing, in my job, but I realized that upon close inspection, when I pull a dimension between, I don't know, these two actual points, and I do a inverse that it's 42 and 8 inches, and it's supposed to have been, I don't know, 10 feet longer, so 50 to 8, right? And you're like, oh gosh, I know that I've made a mistake, and this line over here, for example, needs to be longer, right? So what you can do is you go into calculate, you go into enter plan, you click the line segment, and you see that depending on which segment you actually click, there's a red line that highlights it. So if I select this line over here, for example, and it says that it's a 23 feet 8 inches or 25 feet 6 inches, whichever segment you click, it'll give you the distance. But you are thinking, oh, it needs to be not 23.8, but it needs to be 33.8, right? For example, so we'll do 33 feet and 8 inches over here. When you hit the OK button, it projects the point elsewhere. So now, as soon as you hit the little save button, you'll notice that the program actually extends all of the still correct dimensions over here, just leaves this one at your new value, and your distance over here, which was originally at whatever it was, 42 or something. If I go home and I go into calculate, and we actually do the measurement between the points, again, right click, inverse, now it says 50:8. So it was 42.8, now it's 50:8, just because of the virtue of this being off. Now, of course, if you calculated your offset points based on the previous drawing, these offset points will not have carried with it. It's really just a closed entity that is being adjusted and being changed. So I know I don't need to do that length was definitely 23.8, but this is a quick way of doing it. And needless to say, any of these dimensions, as long as you highlight the right line over here, can be adjusted to your correct dimension if you identify that you made a mistake. So once again, we're 23.8. That's where we are, and you can just adjust any of these. And again, don't forget to hit the save button when you're actually finished. I am not changing anything here, so save will not change anything. But as soon as I change, again, this value to 50 feet, for example, hitting OK, it'll actually skew everything and make it look a little ugly. But that's just by the fact that this is a line that's been closed from the last point to the actual first point over here. All right. Hopefully this was a useful video for you guys, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below.